The PMV EaS-E, India's first micro-electric car, is a compact, two-seater vehicle developed by Mumbai-based startup PMV Electric. Priced between 4 rupees 5 lakh, it undercuts other budget EVs like the MG Comet EV and Tata Tiago EV. Measuring just 2,915 mm in length, the EaS-E is designed for easy parking and urban traffic, featuring a special EaS-E driving mode and automatic locks. Equipped with a touchscreen infotainment system, remote-controlled AC, lights, windows, and horn, it also supports auto updates for new features. Its 160 km range on a single charge and a 4-hour charging time from a 15-amp socket make it cost-effective. With cruise control, regenerative braking, and a lightweight design, the EaS-E offers practicality and affordability. Expected to launch in 2025, bookings are available for just 2,000 rupees.